my name is Danielle Taylor and today I'm going to be exploring my chemical concept with my participant Ali. For the purpose of this video, Ali is a Year 2 student. The content descriptor being explored is chemical science. Different materials can be combined for a particular purpose. Previously, Ali has been exploring what mixtures are through investigation and exploration. Ali, can you tell me what you've learned about what a mixture is?
So a mixture is when two or more things are combined or mixed together.
Great job, that's exactly right. It's when two or more substances are combined or mixed together without a chemical reaction taking place. Can you give me some examples of mixtures that you've learned about or know?
There was a cake that we made the other day,
That's right.
and we tried to mix some water and oil together, but it wouldn't mix together.
Great job. In front of us here, Ali, we have a mixture of dry ingredients. We have some Cheerios, some large and small rice bubbles, some flour and some cocoa. Using this mixture of dry ingredients, we're going to be exploring the focus question. If someone was allergic to one of the ingredients in the mixture, how could it be removed? Ali, I want you to tell me how you think this could be done.
So looking at the mixture, you could possibly remove the larger items like the Cheerios and the rice bubbles.
Yeah, that's right.
Or you can put it through a sieve.
Great ideas. Using the sieve one, like you said, we're going to be doing an investigation using two different types of sieves with different size holes and how the holes will affect what goes through. Okay? Before we begin, I just have some safety to tell you. I don't want you to eat or taste any of the ingredients during the investigation. Ali, do you have any questions before we move on? Is there anything you don't understand?
No.
Okay, great. So moving on to our investigation, we're going to take our dry mixture, our bowl and our colander, and we're going to sieve it through. So predicting first, what do you think is going to happen?
So I think the larger stuff will stay in the sieve and the smaller things will fall through the holes.
Yeah, why do you think that? Is that because of the size of the holes? Or?
Yeah, because they look quite large.
Great job. So let's pull this in and see what's going to happen. Do you want to shake it? So by doing this, did you see the mixture separating?
Yes,
The ingredients? Okay, cool. So what stayed in the colander?
all the larger things like Cheerios and the large rice bubbles.
Yeah, great. So can you write that down for me on our table? Great. And what went through into the bowl?
Looks like the flour and cocoa and some of the small rice bubbles.
Great job. Can you write that down for me? Perfect. And I'm going to reset it for us to do with the smaller sieve. Great. Now we're going to sieve using sieve with the smaller hole, the dry mixture. What do you think is going to happen?
So all the smaller things will fall through and the larger things will stay in the sieve.
Do you think the smaller rice bubbles are going to stay in the sieve or go through the bowl?
The holes don't look like they're large enough for the small rice bubbles to fall through, so they'll probably stay in the sieve.
Okay, great. Let's see what happens. Do you want to take it for me?
Sure.
Perfect. So what stayed in the sieve?
All of the Cheerios, the large rice bubbles, and some of the small rice bubbles as well.
Oh, so it's different from the colander.
Yeah.
Yep. Do you want to write that down?
Yeah, sure.
And what went through to the bowl?
The flour and the cocoa.
Okay, great job. Do you want to write that down? Perfect. Go. great job. As you can see from the investigation that we just did, both of the sieves separated some of the ingredients in the mixture. But did you notice that with both the colander and the smaller sieve, both the flour and the cocoa went through both times?
I did, yes.
Why do you think this happened?
I think because they both have a fine consistency.
Yeah, that's right. Both the grains from the flour and the cocoa are of similar size, so they form a homogeneous mixture. To separate them, sometimes people like scientists use a different procedure like using different boiling points to separate them. Yeah. Well done. Can you tell me one thing that you've learned from this lesson so far?
So you can separate mixtures, but it can be difficult because some things are the same size.
Thank you. Well done, Ali.
Thank you.
Thank you.